Are we live? Let's see. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. Thank you guys again for joining us for another live stream. Today is my birthday, so we're definitely starting it off on a green note. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm trading and my swing trades and stuff like that. It was one of my top callouts for my Sunday stock talk, and it was one of my top callouts last week because of the exponential growth that it's been able to experience, and that is you guys. Again, all the stocks that I talk about today are ones that I see value in, or if I break a couple down, are the ones that I see value in. In no way should that influence anything that is that you should be investing in, and that's because you should never invest based on other people's opinion. You should never invest in stocks or anything that you don't understand, and you should always have a form of risk management. So I hope that you guys all have a beautiful day. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. How are you guys doing today? Man, let's see. I have some background music. I hope that you guys don't mind today. So trying to change things up a little bit, right? There we go. Let's make myself a little smaller. Boom. There we go. For all those that always ask for me to, share my position and stuff like that, there you go. If you guys care, I don't know. That should not influence how it is that you should be investing whatsoever. But yeah, a lot of people care sometimes, like what it is that I'm trading and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and break it down. Why is it that I saw value in you guys? It was one of my top callouts. People thought because it was showing signs of a potential reversal, because it pulled back a little bit, that it was 100% like something to stay away from. Originally with my position, when it came down to excuse me, sorry about that. When it came down to my original position on you guys, I had to buy so much more down at $50 because I originally bought at around 65 as it showing signs of a downward trend. It was right here where it was showing signs of a potential reversal, but never actually got the confirmation. Do you see how it broke above the 180-day EMA, but never actually confirmed above it? And then it continuously trended down. It started to consolidate and then really broke above it and has really been excelling ever since. Now, one of the things that we did notice is that during pre-market hours, it did drop to nearly 70. And then when it came down to, this trading on Friday, it pulled back all the way to that $70 price point as well. So that was a little iffy, that was, it just, it just showed a lot of uncertainty, but that's swing trading. As long as this EMA line, based on my experience, as long as this EMA line on the 180-day chart still continues to show signs of an uptrend, and do you see how this EMA line is still pointing up, right? So with this EMA line still pointing up, and the candles, even if they pull back, right? People always ask, hey, when's a good time to buy on a swing trade as it's showing signs of an uptrend? It's on the pullbacks. That's why I always say buy the dips. It's not buying the dips on lower cap stocks. It's buying the dips on something that's ascending and showing signs of an uptrend. I mean, that's the easiest way that I can put it, and I hope that it makes sense to you guys, and that's why I took a position on you guys. I sold all my position last week. It was 3 days of over $450 profit per day. 3 days of the week. We definitely ended 2017 on a very strong note. People that were part of our mentorship and people that were part of Technical Solutions altogether were able to close thousands of dollars worth of profit, not because I called it out. That has nothing to do with anything. Anyone can call anything out. And that's the thing that I want you guys to understand, especially if you guys want 2018 to be a strong and successful year. Forget about the call-outs. Forget about who calls what out. If you don't understand it and you don't take advantage of it because it didn't make sense to you, or you did take advantage of it because it did make, or you did take advantage of it but it didn't make sense to you, then again, you have to, the way that I treat the people that I mentor is like, if I'm not here tomorrow, I want to make sure that they have such a stable foundation of investing in the stock market that they can scan for their own stocks, they can plan out their trades, and they can take advantage of set opportunities successfully. And that's what we do. And that's what a lot of people within our group, as you guys have seen, I've stressed how important it is to plan out your trades ahead of time for the entire week. And it's something that I think that has been really helping out a good amount of people. So thank you guys again for all the birthday wishes. Did my live stream turn off? I don't think so, right? Whoa. That's weird. Okay, Google, pause. All right, are we back? Let's see. Sorry about that, guys. All right, looks like it's a little bit cleaner now. Let's see if it starts to pick back up. Okay, so it's working now. If you guys want to give me a thumbs up if it's working. Yes, all right, sounds good. All right, thank you guys again for all the birthday wishes. I really do appreciate everything it is that you guys are saying. You guys are super kind, and I'm gonna try to respond to as many of you that direct message me and stuff like that. I did want to kind of like run a little contest. So you guys know how we did the 5-course giveaway. So for those that wanted access to the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, you guys have to comment profit in the comment section. One of the things that if you guys can do, and you guys just have to tag me. So my Instagram handle is down below in the description. The course, the lesson library for Learn, Plan, Profit that we offer with our private group chat and all that's included is $299. So if you guys want, for my birthday, I will give one away. You guys just have to make a 10 to 30-second video on your Instagram account talking about what you love about the stock market and why having access to this lesson library will assist you in your success. So I know money might be tight for a lot of people, and if you guys can make this 10 to 30-second video, just tagging me on my Instagram and just shouting out that, hey, if you can give me access to this course, that's actually, let me know what you guys think about that idea. Let me know, and if you guys want to tag me, we'll pick a random winner. So let's go ahead and make that a thing. I'll pick one within 24 hours. So, all right, this was the breakdown for you guys, but that's enough about that. We still have about 4 minutes, 3 minutes until the market's open. Let's go ahead and close that up. And let's talk about other stocks that are trending during pre-market hours. One of the top callouts that I had was XNet for this week. One of the things that I did call out is that it does have a resistance at $16, and it is kind of far away from the EMA line. So with that being said, I would like a little bit more of a sell-off to get closer to the EMA line for a better entry, as it's showing signs of this ascending uptrend pattern. I think that XNet itself offers a lot of margin for profit, especially from this pattern that it shows from the low points of $12, high points of $16. And yeah, right there, as you guys can see, it still offers about 20% potential for profit. So I think it's a good one to keep your eyes out for. Let's go ahead and see how these other ones are opening up. Boom, boom, boom. Andrew's saying, Andrew Gladness is saying, but every day is your birthday when you make money like you. That's definitely not the case. I'm going to cover that very quickly at the very end. So give me like about 1 minute. So BITA, one of our top callouts for like the past 2 weeks, hasn't been growing very drastically, but one of the things that it has been showing, it's been keeping signs or keeping its pattern of holding above the EMA line and showing signs of an uptrend pattern. So just something to keep your eyes on. If you want something that's progressively going slow, that's definitely something that's consistent and that I think is very easy to understand. We got Tesla here. Tesla was one of our top callouts because of this huge sell-off that it had, consolidating at $310. So if you see signs of a potential reversal, let's go ahead and set our alerts here. I'm going to set it at 314. Let's go ahead and right-click, set our alerts, just to make sure we stay up to date. And I'll be sure for all those that are part of the TechBud Solutions group, as well as our private group chat for Learn, Plan, Profit, that we keep you guys up to date. So we have 1 minute and 26 seconds. Let's see how you guys is doing. So it's at 81. Wow, this thing is really pushing. No, I think that's just okay. There we go. All right. DRN still showing signs of an uptrend pattern, nothing crazy there. And one of my top callouts was HIMX, still holding above the EMA line. For those that are looking for a good entry, just try to get close to this EMA line. As long as the EMA line is still pointing up and you see that it's showing signs of consolidation on the EMA line, I think that would give a sign for a good potential entry. We got XXII still continuing that rally. This is going to be one that you really want to keep your eyes on, especially if you're a little bit more of a momentum trader or want to day trade something. This thing offers the margin from like $2.80 to $3. So for a $2 stock, that is pretty huge if you talk about percentage growth for a quick little day trade, right? HAWK still showing signs of an uptrend pattern. Overall resistance at about $36. Volume is not very hot on this one, but just something to keep your eyes out for. So we have about 10 seconds until the market opens. Where do we have you guys right now? Because I'm about to cover profit. So let's look at this intraday. So it looks like it's right around 81, and it looks like it's pushing away. Let's see if we could actually get a little bit closer. There we go. All right, guys, so for all those that are part of the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, go ahead and I'm going to tag you guys in the private group chat. We're about to do our 30-minute Q&A chat, so if you guys have any questions, JDST mark below. Okay, so JNEG is still rallying. That's a confirmation that JNEG did not show signs of an uptrend pattern. But again, for all those that are part of TechBud Solutions or want access to the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, so for my birthday, I would love to give you guys access to our private group and everything it is that we have to offer. Just feel free to tag me. Again, my Instagram handle is down below. It's Ricky Gutierrez with 2 Z's at Yahoo, Ricky Gutierrez with 2 Z's. And you guys just tag me on Instagram, and a 10 to 30 second video just talking about why gaining access to the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library would assist you and be as a part of your success. So let's go ahead and see if we can actually cover profits right now. There we go. We're up nearly $300 on the day. We're on the day 410. On the swing 310. There we go. All right, well, I have my stop loss fill there if it starts to show signs of a downward pattern. Looks like the volume really picked up, but it's starting to sell off a little bit. Let's see what can happen. But yeah, I don't want to take too much of your guys' time. Again, guys, keep it very simple. Plan out your trades. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about what it is that I do, feel free to click the links down below. I teach people how to buy and resell cars successfully. And I also teach people how to invest in the stock markets. All the links are down below. I'd love to be a part of your success. We are running a couple sales right now. And then don't forget to join our free Facebook group of over 70,000 entrepreneurs and investors so we can assist you and be a part of your success. Like always, guys, continue working hard, continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives in your success. And let's make sure that we end the year on a green note, guys. Take it easy, team.